In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your Twitch Prime rewards. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all you need to do is open up a browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever it is, and then you will need to search for Twitch Prime. Once you search for Twitch Prime, you will need to click on the top search result here, Prime Gaming. Click on that and then it will bring you over to this page here. And obviously with Prime Gaming, you will need Amazon Prime linked up to your Twitch account. So once you are logged in to your Prime Gaming and you've also got your Amazon linked, all you need to do is come over to this page and find the game that you want to redeem your rewards. So for example, there is a lot of games here, and for this one here, I will just go all the way up to the top, and for this example here, I will click on World of Tanks. If you click on World of Tanks, what you will get is you will get all the dates above here, and then whatever you can claim will obviously be on the left hand side. So these rewards here have also been passed and they have not been claimed. So for me, if I want to claim this reward here, which is available right now, all I need to simply do is click on it. Once I do that, as you can see, you need to link your game account. So once you have linked your game account, as you can see, there is a button now for complete claim. All you need to do is simply click on this. And then what that will do is it will claim your reward, and then the next time you log into that game, it will be available for you on there. So that's how you can go ahead and claim your Prime Gaming rewards.